Welcome to the best resource online for you to learn Python, master it, and get hired as a Python developer. This brand new course will not only teach you the basics of Python, which, let's be honest, you can do that online for free, but it will also teach you the latest features, advanced features, ecosystem, and tools, as well as show you different career paths that you can take with Python, including web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and so much more. By the end of this course, you will be a complete Python developer that can get hired at large companies. We're going to learn Python from absolute scratch. Along the way, we're going to build over 12 real-world projects and do tons of exercises. We're going to use Python to work with email, text messages, CSV files, PDF files, image files, data visualizations, build our own machine learning model, do image detection. We're going to build a web scraper for Hacker News, build a Twitter bot. We're going to build the most secure password checker. We'll also build some automation tools using Selenium. And wait for it, this is my favorite one. Build an actual portfolio website where your future employers and customers can contact you. By the end, we'll have a stack of projects you have built that you can show off to all your future employers. Here's the truth. Most courses teach you Python and do just that. They show you how to get started, but the thing is, you don't know where to go from there or how to build your own projects. When you apply to jobs, nobody's going to care that you built a really pretty tic-tac-toe app. Okay, I see you're a little hesitant. You're a tough cookie, so let me give you 3 reasons why this course is different. 1, this course goes beyond just teaching you Python. The course has sections that will take you, after you have learned Python, into different fields that use Python. This way, you can decide which field you want to pursue and also understand how Python is being used in all of these careers. 2, this course is taught by me. I'm Andre. I've actually worked in the field and am not just another online instructor. I've worked for large IPO tech firms in Silicon Valley as well as Toronto. My students are now working at companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple, and other tech firms because I teach real-life skills. 3, you get to join a live online community of over 100,000 developers. We actually have the most active developer community on Udemy, and I'm also on there every day, chatting with students. Whether you are new to programming, want to level up your Python skills, or are coming from a different programming language, this course is not about making you just code along without understanding the principles so that when you are done with the course, you don't know what to do other than watch another tutorial. No, this course will push you and challenge you to go from an absolute beginner with no coding experience to someone that can go off, forget about me, and build their own applications and get hired. As a matter of fact, if at the end of the course you don't feel like you learned beyond what other courses teach, I have a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Have a look at the course outline in the next video to see if this course is right for you. I'll see you inside.